Hi guys, SEO viewer here. Today I'm going to show you how to obtain a YouTube transcript and perform an analysis on it so that you can generate titles, tags, and adjust the transcript as necessary. So the first thing we're going to do is go to YouTube and search up a video.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 40.
Satellites are.
The next thing we're going to do is go to the video description and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says transcript, follow along using the transcript. We're going to click show transcript, and then we're going to copy and paste all the transcript, and then copy. We're going to go down on the research tools and we're going to go down to transcript analyzer, and we're going to paste the transcript that we got from YouTube. Now, if we instead uploaded, saved it to a text file on Notepad, or maybe you have some other formats that you use, you can upload the transcript file right over here. We're going to start to click Analyze Transcript. And it takes a little bit, but what it's going to do is it's going to give you recommendations for titles, emojis, audio effects, as well as timestamps for the different chapters in the videos, video description, and tags. And this can be extremely helpful if you have a boatload of videos that you just recorded back to back to back, and you want to produce all these things with ease without having to think about it twice. Okay. So here, the first thing you see once the transcript analysis is complete is you have two sorts of titles. Titles that kind of intrigue the viewer, or titles that are SEO optimized. And then you have a list of visual enhancement recommendations where they kind of give you at certain timestamps recommendations for what kind of imagery you should use at certain points. And then they have a level of importance to them: high, medium, or low. And as you can see here, they say about text overlay high, graphics medium. Doesn't seem like there's very many or any low recommendations. Next, they have audio enhancement recommendations for either music or sound effects and their level of importance. And then finally, the YouTube chapters for your video, as well as the video description that you can copy and paste, and the generalized recommended tags. Like I said before, this can be extremely helpful if you have a whole host of videos in which you have a transcript that you just want to improve really quickly, and then fill in the other gaps in the video so you can publish them as soon as possible. If you like what you see here and you want to try analyzing transcripts of your own, I have included a link in the video description as well as the pinned comment. Thanks for your time, and I hope that the information presented here was helpful to you.